So I'm setting up our camp stove. I'm just screwing it here, if I can get it on. Screws in like that. Then I'm about to light it up. This is our propane stove and propane tank. All you do is attach it, screw it in here, and then then you light it and you're ready to cook. Okay, so this is a cast iron grill. One side is the griddle. No, the grill. The other side is the griddle. And you just put it on top of here.
So I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt here. And I'm going to add some sliced ham. I have some ham sliced up. And adding some of it.
That's so delicious.
Mix that up.
Now that's from a real chef.
What are you making today for breakfast?
Well, I wanted something hot. The only thing I had left was chili. So I'm making chili for breakfast.
Good morning. We are making scrambled eggs with hot dog sausages for breakfast. We also have gluten-free pancakes. And my brother just invented these butterfly pancakes.
Sausage.
They have sausage in the middle.